Hi, welcome to Make It Today, Wear It Tonight. Today we are going to make Simplicity Pattern 8707. It's a mommy and me or an adult and child pattern all in one, and it has three pattern pieces, a front, a back, and two sleeves. And it's very easy to make. What I'm going to do is just go over the fabric because you'll probably want to make it in a nice sheer fabric. So I'll give you some tips on how to really stitch it easily and quickly. So after you cut out your pattern and you have all your pieces cut out, even matching up your fabric prints if you like, go ahead and stitch the two shoulder seams together. That's the first step you're going to take. Don't stitch the sides or the sleeves. Let's get the shoulders together so we can stitch the neckline. And what you'll do is stitch the neckline about a 1/4 inch away from the edge. A regular stay stitching is just what it is. Fabric stayed just like this, especially on a curve, a sheer fabric, a knit fabric, anything that's going to stretch while you're handling it. So if you have pinking shears or you have a serger, suggest using those on the edges of the fabric, especially the front, because you're going to fold it over to top stitches. So I have both. Sometimes I use the pinking shears, sometimes I use the serger, just depending on the fabric. So go ahead and pink all the way around or serge all of your raw edges. And then you may want to press and do the fold it over twice, especially if it's a sheer fabric. You want to fold it over a 1/4 inch and then fold it over another 1/4 inch and top stitch all around. This is what your top stitching will look like. If you have a rolled hem foot, like this one here, it'll be very easy and you will be glad you have one. So if you don't, check them out. So after you've stitched the front up and attached the sleeves and stitched the side seams down and hemmed, you are ready to wear a kimono. You may even want to make the little one. Thank you. See you next time on Make It Today and Wear It Tonight.